Part 2 of our student computer orientation is going to be about customizing your laptop. Now, as we've talked about before, you do not have a lot of options as far as customizing the background or the screensaver, but you do have the ability to customize some of the programs that are easily accessible to you. And what I mean by that is by placing them in what's called the taskbar. In Windows 7 at the bottom, programs as they run appear within the taskbar. What you can do, though, is you can what's called pin certain programs to the taskbar to make them easily accessible. So, how you would do that would be to click on the Start button and go to your All Programs list. One program that we'll surely use at some point is Internet Explorer. So if I click and drag on Internet Explorer, you notice it pins it to the taskbar. That allows me easy access to Internet Explorer, so I can just click on it. That will remain there each time I log on and off my computer. So Internet Explorer is one web browser that you probably will use, but you will also find, if you scroll down, it's probably in a folder for you called Mozilla Firefox. If you click and drag on Mozilla Firefox, it again pins that down to the taskbar as well. The reason why we're giving you two separate web browsers is because certain web programs work better on different web browsers. So you can certainly choose which one works best for you, but at some point you may have to use both to make sure certain programs run better. Okay, if we go through the list of folders in your applications, some that you're certainly going to use are in the Microsoft Office folder. For example, Microsoft Word for typing is certainly one you're going to use, and you're going to want to pin that to your taskbar. You may also use Microsoft PowerPoint at some time, but Microsoft Onenote, which you may not be familiar with, is another program that you probably will start using. You would want to click and drag that down to your taskbar also. If it's not there already, you can also move your Documents folder down there by clicking and dragging it to the taskbar also. That gives you quick access to frequently used folders and where your documents are going to be saved. Now, once they're located down here in the taskbar and as new programs appear, they will show up here on the right-hand side. Now, you can drag and move them around as well to put them in any order that you want. Now, if you go and open a program that you're using for the first time, for example, let's say I'm going to use Windows Live Photo Gallery. When the program is open, it will appear on the screen, and also you will see an icon appear within the taskbar. So while you're using certain applications, you can easily add them to your taskbar by just right-clicking on it and saying Pin to Taskbar. So when this program then closes, you'll see that icon stays there, so it's very easy to locate. So what I'd like you to do is pause this video and go through your programs, and perhaps your teachers have some recommendations, but we would like you to pin at least your two web browsers, Microsoft Word and Microsoft Onenote, to your taskbar. And of course you can customize this and remove them at any time by right-clicking and saying Unpin from Taskbar. So this can be something that's a work in progress. Alright, that's it for now. Go ahead and start customizing your taskbar.